Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS4151i. I want to show you how to align printer from the control panel. What you need to do is you need to press and hold the stop button. When you press and hold it, a warning light will highlight 4 times. Then you release the button and select copy color or copy black to proceed. It will print out alignment paper. Then scan the paper. So press and hold the stop button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then release the button. So once you press 1, 2, 3, 4, select copy. Even if you did not press copy, it will still print out alignment page. Then take the document printed out. Make sure the document starts from black sticker. Put it on the glass scanner and make sure it starts from the top left where you see arrow on the top left corner. Then close the cover. Then you select copy black or copy color. The document is scanning. Once the job is complete, the light will be steady. So discard the paper and the alignment is done. So this is how to align printer from the control panel. Thank you.